Here's something that surprises almost everyone researching this. Germany does not have a retirement visa. No special stamp, no dedicated retiree category, nothing official with retirement written on it. And yet thousands of foreign retirees are living there right now with excellent healthcare and a genuinely high quality of life. I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm quickly breaking down the real pathways retirees actually use to move to Germany in 2026 and what each one requires. Since Germany's immigration system is built around employment, study, and family reunification, retirees have to fit into one of these categories instead. The one almost everyone uses is Section 7 of the Residence Act, known as the Residence Permit for Financially Independent Persons. You're not applying to retire, you're proving you can support yourself indefinitely without working and without becoming a burden on the state. There's no official fixed income number, but based on real 2026 approvals, most immigration lawyers point to a practical range of around 1,200 to 1,500 euros per month on top of rent. Expensive cities like Munich need more, smaller cities like Leipzig need less. This all has to be documented with pension statements, savings, or investment income, not just claimed. The other non-negotiable piece is health insurance, and this is the single biggest reason applications get rejected. Travel insurance and basic international policies don't meet German standards. You need private health insurance recognized under German law, sorted out before you apply, not after. If the financial independence route doesn't fit your situation, there are a few other legitimate doors into Germany. If you have close family members who are German citizens or legal residents, family reunification can be a more direct path, and it's worth checking first if this applies to you. If you'd rather stay active than fully retire, a self-employment or freelancer visa is an option. You'll need to show your work genuinely benefits the German economy, along with a viable business plan and proof you can support yourself financially. And if you have significant capital, there's an investor or business visa route, though this typically requires a substantial investment, often cited around 360,000 euros, depending on the state, to demonstrate real economic benefit to Germany. For most retirees without German family ties or a business plan, though, the financial independence permit remains the most common and direct route. If you're American, Canadian, Australian, British, Japanese, Israeli, New Zealander, or South Korean, you can enter Germany visa-free for up to 90 days and apply for your residence permit directly at the local immigration office. Most other nationalities need to apply for a national visa before entering. Whichever route you take, you'll first get a temporary residence permit, typically valid for 1 year and renewable. After 5 years of continuous residence, you become eligible for permanent settlement, the Niederlassungserlaubnis, though this may require demonstrating some German language ability. Full citizenship is a longer road, generally around 8 years, with language and testing requirements. So, the bottom line, Germany doesn't hand you a clearly labeled retirement visa, but the path is real. Prove stable, well-documented income, get compliant health insurance sorted before you apply, and be patient with a process that runs on individual judgment rather than a fixed checklist. If this was useful, subscribe for more country breakdowns and let me know in the comments which country you want next.